Hello, and welcome back to English Step by Step. I'm really happy you're here today. Before we begin, I have one important request. Please don't watch this video silently. This is not a movie. This is not a lecture. This is your English practice session. Throughout this video, I will ask you questions, give you small speaking challenges, and ask you to repeat after me. I want you to answer out loud, not just in your head. Don't worry if your English isn't perfect. Making mistakes is part of learning. So, are you ready? Great, let's begin. First, let me ask you something. Have you been studying English for months or even years, but you still feel nervous when you have to speak? If your answer is yes, say this sentence with me. Yes, I want to speak English with confidence. Come on, say it out loud. I'll wait for you. Excellent. You have already spoken your first English sentence in today's lesson. Now, another question. Do you know many English words? But when someone speaks to you, your mind suddenly goes blank? If that's true, say, I understand English, but I want to speak it better. Ready? Repeat after me. I understand English, but I want to speak it better. Very good. Here's one more question. Have you ever felt afraid of making mistakes when speaking English? If your answer is yes, say this with confidence. Mistakes help me learn. Again. Mistakes help me learn. Perfect. Now listen carefully. Millions of English learners have the same problem. They study grammar, they memorize vocabulary, they watch hundreds of English videos. But when it's time to speak, they become silent. Why? Because learning about English is not the same as using English. Think about riding a bicycle. Can you learn to ride a bicycle just by reading a book? Of course not. You have to get on the bicycle. You might fall, you get up, you try again. And little by little, you become better. English is exactly the same. You learn to speak by speaking. Let's practice that idea together. Repeat after me. I learn to speak by speaking. Again, I learn to speak by speaking. One last time. This time, smile and say it with confidence. I learn to speak by speaking. Excellent. That's the spirit of this channel. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to learn English faster using simple methods that really work. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan that you can start using today. But first, I have a small challenge for you. From this moment until the end of the video, don't be just a viewer, be a speaker. Whenever I ask you to repeat. Whenever I ask you a question, answer it out loud. And whenever you make a mistake, smile, correct it, and keep going. Because every sentence you speak brings you one step closer to confidence. So, are you ready to take your next step? Let's get started. Before I explain how to learn English faster, we need to understand one important thing. Sometimes the problem isn't your English. The problem is the way you are learning. Let me ask you another question. How many years have you been learning English? 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, maybe even longer? Think about your answer. Now say it out loud. For example, I've been learning English for 3 years. Or, I've been learning English for 5 years. Go ahead. Say your own sentence. Great. Now, here's the next question. Can you have a 5-minute conversation with a native English speaker without feeling nervous? Be honest. If your answer is no, that's completely okay. Today is the first step to changing that. Now, Let's discover the 4 biggest mistakes that slow down English learners. Mistake number 1, waiting until your English is perfect. Many students say, I'll start speaking when my grammar is better. I'll start speaking when I know more vocabulary. I'll start speaking next month. But guess what? That day never comes. Imagine a child learning to walk. Does the child wait until they can walk perfectly before taking the first step? Of course not. They fall, they stand up, they try again, and every mistake helps them improve. English is exactly the same. You don't become confident first, then you speak. You become confident because you speak. Practice time. Repeat after me. I don't need perfect English to start speaking. Again. I don't need perfect English to start speaking. One more time. This time, say it with confidence. I don't need perfect English to start speaking. Excellent. Mistake number 2, memorizing words without using them. Many learners have notebooks full of vocabulary, hundreds, sometimes thousands. But after 1 week, most of those words are forgotten. Why? Because your brain remembers what you use, not only what you read. For example, don't just learn the word, travel. Use it in a sentence. Say, I want to travel around the world. Now it's your turn. Choose one of these words: coffee, music, football, books. Create one simple sentence. Say it out loud. I'll give you a few seconds. Very nice. You just practiced English instead of only studying it. Mistake number 3, studying without listening. Imagine trying to play the piano without ever listening to music. Sounds impossible, right? The same is true for English. If you don't listen to English every day, your ears will never become comfortable with the language. Listening trains your brain. It teaches you pronunciation, it teaches rhythm, it teaches natural expressions. You don't have to understand everything. You only have to listen consistently. Quick challenge, repeat after me. Listening is learning. Again, listening is learning. Excellent. Mistake number 4, giving up too soon. Many people study English for 2 weeks. Then they stop. They study again for 1 week. Then they stop again. Months pass. They never build a habit. Learning English isn't about studying a lot for 1 day. It's about studying a little every single day. Even 15 minutes every day is more powerful than 3 hours once a week. Final practice, repeat after me. Small steps every day lead to big results. Again, small steps every day lead to big results. Perfect. Now let's do a quick review. Can you remember the 4 mistakes? I'll help you. Number 1, waiting until you're perfect. Number 2, learning words without using them. Number 3, not listening enough. Number 4, giving up too soon. If you recognize one or more of these mistakes, don't feel discouraged. The good news is this: every mistake has a solution. And in the next part of this lesson, I'm going to show you the 5 simple habits that can help you learn English much faster than you ever thought possible. Let's continue. Now, you know the biggest mistakes that stop many English learners. The good news is this: you don't need to be smarter. You don't need a perfect memory. And you don't need to study 8 hours a day. You simply need better habits. Today, I'm going to share 5 habits that successful English learners have in common. If you start practicing these habits every day, you will notice a big difference over time. Let's begin. Practice habit number 1. Learn every day. Here's a question for you. What is better, studying English for 5 hours on Sunday or studying for 20 minutes every day? Think about it. What's your answer? The correct answer is 20 minutes every day. Why? Because your brain learns through repetition. When you study a little every day, your brain has time to remember and organize what you've learned. Learning English is like watering a plant. You don't pour 50 liters of water on it once a month. You give it a little water every day. Your English grows the same way. Practice time repeat after me. I will study English every day. Again, I will study English every day. Now change the sentence. Say, I will study English for 20 minutes every day. Excellent. That's a promise to yourself. Habit number 2. Listen more than you think. Many students spend all their time reading grammar books. But remember this, your ears learn before your mouth speaks. The more English you hear, the more natural English becomes. You don't have to understand every word, just keep listening. Podcasts, YouTube videos, movies, conversations, anything in English. Little by little, your brain starts recognizing patterns. Listening challenge. I'm going to say 3 simple sentences, just listen carefully. I like learning English. Today is a beautiful day. Practice makes progress. Now repeat them with me, one by one. Great job. Every time you listen and repeat, your pronunciation becomes stronger. Habit number 3, speak from day 1. Many learners wait. They say, I'll speak when I'm ready. But here's the truth, nobody feels completely ready. Confidence comes from action, not from waiting. Every sentence you speak teaches your brain something new, even if you make mistakes. In fact, mistakes are proof that you are learning. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. Today, I choose to speak English. Again, today, I choose to speak English. Now answer this question. Why do you want to learn English? Don't think too much. Answer in one simple sentence. For example, I want to learn English for my career, or I want to travel, or I want to make international friends. Now it's your turn. Speak. Excellent. You just created your own English sentence. That's real practice. Habit number 4. Learn words in sentences. Here's an interesting question. Which is easier to remember? One word or a complete sentence? The answer is a sentence. For example, don't memorize only the word decision. Learn a sentence. Instead, I made an important decision yesterday. Now your turn. Repeat after me. I made an important decision yesterday. Great! From today, don't collect words, collect useful sentences. Your brain remembers stories and situations much better than isolated vocabulary. Habit number 5. Review what you learn. Many students learn something today and forget it tomorrow. Why? Because they never review it. Reviewing is not boring, it's powerful. Every time you review, your memory becomes stronger. Even 5 minutes of review every day can make a huge difference. Final practice. Let's review what we've learned together. Repeat after me. Study every day. Excellent. Listen every day. Very good. Speak from the first day. Perfect. Learn words in sentences. Great. Review what you learn. Outstanding. Now close your eyes for a moment. Can you remember all 5 habits without looking? Take 10 seconds. Try. How many did you remember? 3, 4, all 5? Whatever your answer is. You are already training your memory. And that's exactly how successful English learners improve. Remember this: learning English faster is not about finding a secret method. It's about doing the simple things every single day. Now that I know the 5 habits, let's put everything together. In the next part, I'll show you a simple 30-minute daily routine that you can start using today to become a more confident English speaker. Let's continue. Congratulations. You've reached the end of today's lesson. Let's take 1 minute to review what we've learned. Today, you discovered 5 habits that can help you learn English faster. Number 1, study every day. Number 2, listen to English every day. Number 3, speak from the first day. Number 4, learn words and sentences, not in long vocabulary lists. And number 5, review what you learn. Now, here's my question for you. Which habit do you need to improve the most? Think about it. Then say your answer out loud. For example, I need to practice speaking more, or I need to listen to English every day. Go ahead, I'll give you a few seconds. Excellent. The first step to improving is knowing what you need to work on. Now I have a challenge for you. For the next 7 days, spend just 20 minutes a day with English. Listen to English, repeat after native speakers, speak out loud. Don't worry about being perfect, just keep going. After 7 days, come back to this video and tell me in the comments, challenge completed. I'd love to hear about your progress. Before we finish, let's say one final sentence together. Repeat after me. Every day I become a better English speaker. Again. Every day I become a better English speaker. One last time, say it with confidence. Every day I become a better English speaker. Amazing! Remember, fluency doesn't come from studying once in a while. It comes from taking small steps every single day. Thank you for learning with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Step by Step, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English. Step by step. Goodbye.